What's up, everybody? So the famous streamer iShowSpeed has started his tour of Africa. So I'm gonna show you some of the stuff he's gotten into already, and then I'm gonna tell you why this trip is so important for black people all around the world.
So you got two wives and they live in two separate huts?
Yes,
Damn.
I have to visit them.
So how much do you visit them? Okay, look, you got two wives, right?
Yes.
How much time do you give one wife and how much time do you give another wife?
I have to treat them equal.
You gotta treat them equally?
Yes. Or sometimes if I don't have to sleep with the wife, I have got my own hut where I can sleep.
Oh.
Yes.
So if you sleep with one wife, you gotta sleep with another one?
No, I will go to, the next day I can go to another one.
So the next day?
Yes.
Dang, man. That's nice.
Thank you. This is my first wife.
That's your first wife?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
first
wow.
wife.
How are you? So sweet.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you.
He was
too.
telling me all about you.
Yeah, that's my husband.
This is my second wife.
Is your second wife?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Oh, God. You 20? And you live in this village?
Yes.
You got a husband? You don't? Wow. Who your mom? Who your dad? You know the owner, right? Where he's at? Him right here.
Daughter.
Oh, that's your daughter?
Yes. My first daughter.
Oh.
You want to give me cows?
Huh?
You want to give me some cows?
Yeah.
So propose and then do I come with your family then we negotiate?
How many cows do I have to give you so I can marry her?
17.
17 cows?
Yes. How much are we looking at?
17 cows.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Seeing the iShowSpeed Africa tour, that shit is making me want to go to Africa, bro. When Speed was in Europe, they was calling him monkey. They was throwing him bananas and shit. They was saying all type of racist shit when he was in the Europe tour. He pop up in Africa and then people showing him love like he's family already, bro. The propaganda is failing. It is crumbling before our very eyes. And then they want to call Africa uncivilized, bitch. I'm seeing the complete opposite.
He is the best spinner in South Africa. Let's see what he got.
My man is wild. My man is wild. He earns his views. He definitely earns his views.
What they doing? I just trusted that guy with my fucking life.
One thing I want to talk about is Speed stream to Africa. You see how the African people are treating him, bro? It's because they love Speed. It's because they love African Americans. It's because they love other black people. FBA, y'all niggas know who y'all are. Y'all see how the Africans are treating Speed? Y'all be preaching this, oh, Africans hate us. Africans don't like us. Africans this and that, Africans look down on them. And am I going to deny that? No, it's true. It is vice versa from both communities. But the FBA makes it seem like it's just a majority of the African population that just hates African Americans. This is false. Africans love African Americans.
The only thing he's wrong about is wearing that bonnet, but everything else, straight facts. Whenever a black American tells me, oh, Africans don't fuck with us, Africans don't fuck with black Americans, I know instantly that that person has never been to Africa. I know instantly.
Hey, what they doing? Space. Oh my God! Oh hell no! What the fuck? Oh, hey! Wow! What the hell is that? I'm about to call the police. What the fuck? Hey man, you alright? You alright? Hey, are your bones okay?
The way iShowSpeed is moving, you would think that he's like a streaming Henry Louis Gates. I wasn't expecting him to go to a country like Angola or South Africa, but he's about to do wonders for tourism. Like, he might legitimately meet his match in the athletic realm. Like, he's gonna legit see where his dreams come from. But I really love like how he integrated himself in the culture so fast when he went to Angola. Right from the jump, he's doing front flips while people are doing capoeira. He's dancing with South African kids. I would have thought that he was from those countries the way he blended in. But I love this because it proves one thing. Africans are cordial, they're respectful. Yeah, he has fans, he has people that come up to him, ask autographs. But this time when he does his stream, he doesn't have to worry about people grabbing his hair and selling it on eBay. I haven't heard any racial slurs. I haven't heard anybody violate Speed. Like, it's dispelling a lot of American propaganda. And he's actually gonna do crazy numbers. And I wouldn't be surprised if this helps with the tourism in a lot of these countries. I mean, America tells us that Africans are savage, primitive people. But what you see, man, is like they are actually treating him with a lot of respect. I love this for him, and I hope it goes well. I really do.
iShowSpeed touring Africa could break a lot of bad stereotypes people have about the continent, and it could help build a real understanding and give Pan-Africanism a real chance to grow.
So we've got a code red. The streamer kid. He's doing it again. The streamer kid is doing it again.
Agent Carter, calm your goddamn nerves. We're the CIA. What's the matter?
I understand, sir. I understand. But the streamer kid, Speed, he's quite the nuisance. Remember the China files? He's doing the same thing down with Africa.
He's doing what? He's a streamer kid. They shoot videos or they put stuff silly on the internet. What are you complaining about here?
You gotta understand, sir. It's only been one day. He's in a country of Angola. He's changing the narrative already, and he's still got more countries to go. Can you imagine when he gets to Nigeria? All our years of propaganda down the drain.
iShowSpeed's Africa streams are doing multiple generational undamaging to your brain because y'all really thought that Africa was a bunch of twigs and huts. Like there isn't a representative from every single country that wants something out of this continent. Now granted, some of the comments are people trying to be funny, but I can tell some of these are 100%. No, you really thought that. Y'all really thought Africa was in the arms of the air. You really thought that was you thought it was Africa. Do you know how wealthy Africa is? Do you know how large Africa is? I'm telling you, he is undoing the damage of multiple decades. And I, for one, can't not commend him for doing that because wow. In the future, we are going to have multiple generations of people who are more conscious about how things happen over in Africa. And it is going to be because they saw what it looks like on iShowSpeed stream.
You see how when Speed was streaming in other countries, they was calling him out of his name? They was being racist. He's not going through any of that in Africa. In Africa, it looked like Speed is living his best life. You could feel every bit of the love in his streams. This young man met the president of Angola. He's taking time with these people. He's racing people. He raced the African flag.
1v1. You ready?
You see how the African people were showing Speed love? Why wasn't Speed getting that love anywhere else? And not saying that he wasn't getting love fully, but he's not getting no hate in Africa. Why is that? Y'all remember the streams? People clipped those streams up. When Speed was in Europe, nasty word. Speed is in Africa and people are treating him like a human being. That says a lot. And you would think the way these people paint pictures about Africa, about people in Africa, that they wouldn't be treating Speed how they're treating Speed. But as we can see, Speed is being treated like a natural human being. And he is around very civilized people.
Black people, if you have the opportunity, go to Africa, even if it's just a visit. It's life-changing. You won't understand what I'm saying until you actually get there. But it's life-changing.
I was so proud to be a Black American, right? I didn't feel the need to say African American. I felt exactly how they did. I've been to several countries in Africa and felt like, Black American. I'm proud. We've accomplished a great deal. Do they really feel like we're connected with? Until I went to Ghana. Everything changed. Like what happened was I found out, I got roots in Ghana. That's my lineage. But I'm not one of those people who just is going to get on the bandwagon. I'm back in Mother Africa and all this type of stuff. But one thing that occurred to me, I knew that there was a bigger trek that started in Ghana. I realized that me telling myself that South Carolina was enough, that's some bullshit. For me, I can only speak for me. But when I went back and the way I felt, man, I wish this for anybody Black living in this country.
Y'all probably wondering why I'm crying. I've been watching Speed streams, and I'm seeing all the love that he's getting in Angola. He's in South Africa, and he's getting massive amount of love, and the way that he was treated in Europe was disgusting. But to see him be a Black man from the United States of African descent and be able to go back to the continent and be treated like a human by civilized African people, when we've been taught that Africa is primitive, that it's dangerous, don't go back, they have this, they have that, they don't want you, they don't like you. And to see an African American man with his stature go back to the motherland and be treated with so much respect. This is what our people fought for. This is what they fought for when they fought against Jim Crow and segregation. This is what the slave revolts were about. This is what it's always been about. It's to be able to go back home to a home that you've never been and be unapologetically Black and not have to think about being Black. Just being able to have your natural hair and your brown skin and not be judged and not be racially profiled and not be killed. I love the love that he is getting. And I love the love that all of my African American people are getting in the continent. And I know there's a lot of issues. I know there's a lot of things that need to be worked out. But I'm so proud. I'm so proud. And I love that for him. And I love that for all of my people that are over there. And I can't wait to hit the soil and experience it myself.
This is the Pan-African Updates and Reactions channel. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to bridge that gap between Africans in the diaspora and Africans in the continent. And I think what iShowSpeed is doing now with this Africa tour is helping that mission tremendously.
I am proud of Speed. I'm so proud of him.
I'm just thinking, man. I'm just thinking about this city, this country. You see so many beautiful things. It kind of makes you don't even want to leave, you know? It doesn't really want to, it really makes you don't want to leave. If you just really look at everything, man.